Assalamualaikum my lovely viewers, this is Aloy to World Learning Tutorials channel for you. Today in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to check programs and control panel software install checks. So for this case we will go to the search options. Here the search option thing. So here the things, control panel. See here lots of options. So adjust your computer settings. This is the settings options. So we'll go to the programs and features. Click here. You see any kinds of things we can see directly from the here. So if we want to see here here the uninstall or repair, so we can do this thing easily from here. See, so in this way we can check the things. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Hopefully this tutorial will help you so much.